Hello everyone. Right now we're standing on a strawberry farm in California, USA, one of the largest and most renowned strawberry growing regions in the world. But in today's video, we won't just be seeing the process of planting and harvesting millions of strawberries each year. We're about to uncover the secrets behind cutting-edge technologies and methods that boost production and quality beyond imagination. You won't believe how many strawberries are picked here every single day. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this fascinating world of strawberry farming. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us on this journey? Right now, we're standing in the preparation area for strawberry seedlings at one of the largest farms. This is where the journey of a strawberry plant begins before it reaches the main fields. But here's the thing, only the strongest and healthiest strawberry roots are carefully selected to ensure the best possible harvest. Behind every decision, there's a meticulous and precise process at play. Every single seedling, every root, goes through rigorous tests to ensure they can thrive and grow strong in the farm's environment. What happens if a seedling doesn't meet the standard? Stick around to uncover this, and so much more, as we dive deeper into the secrets of strawberry farming. As the seedling preparation process continues, another critical phase is unfolding on the fields. The workers are diligently preparing the soil, raising the beds high, getting everything ready to welcome thousands of strawberry plants soon to arrive. These soil beds aren't just a place for the plants to grow. They're carefully crafted homes where only the highest quality strawberries will thrive. Imagine, thousands of seedlings are about to be placed here, as if an army of future strawberries is gearing up for its grand debut. But the question is, will they survive the challenges ahead and grow strong in this environment? In 2021, the strawberry cultivation area in California was recorded at 37,000 acres, a figure that already drew significant attention to the state's agricultural industry. Of this area, 2/3 were concentrated in the Santa Maria region, a fertile and ideal place for strawberry farming. However, what's truly astonishing is that this area didn't remain static, but has continuously expanded at an impressive pace year after year. The strawberry farming industry in California has been rapidly growing, with the current area now many times larger than it was in 2021. A large portion of the land, which was once dedicated to other crops, has now been transformed into vast strawberry fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. This expansion is not only meeting domestic demand, but also serving as a key player in global strawberry exports. Can you imagine how massive this expansion is? These sprawling strawberry fields not only cover much of California, but have also created a global network connecting production to international markets. This has not only allowed California's strawberry industry to maintain its leadership within the US, but has also helped it expand its reach worldwide. With increasing land area devoted to strawberry farming, the industry is not only contributing to the local economy, but has become a crucial part of the global economy. From creating thousands of job opportunities to developing modern farming technologies, everything is evolving in an exciting direction. Have you ever wondered what changes this will bring for the future of the strawberry industry and the economy as a whole? Inside the indoor preparation area, thousands of strawberry plants are being meticulously cared for, each one carefully nurtured to ensure it's strong and healthy. These plants aren't just a part of the production process, they represent new beginnings, full of potential and hope for the future. Every plant, with its strong green shoots, is ready to be taken outside, touch the earth, and begin a new journey across vast fields. This is where they will sink their roots, grow, and ultimately promise a bountiful harvest of fresh strawberries. This moment is critical. It's when these young plants transition into the next phase of their life cycle, one full of expectation. In mid-August, as the air in California begins to cool after the intense heat of summer, strawberry farms across the state start the planting season. This marks the beginning of a new cycle, where the green fields of strawberries are born, full of hope for what the future will bring. Each strawberry plant that touches the fertile soil carries the promise of a bright future. And when harvest time comes, these plants will bear ripe, juicy strawberries ready for consumers. Mid-August marks the beginning of strawberry planting season across many farms in California. But here's the twist. California is home to over 10 different varieties of strawberries, each with its own planting and harvesting timeline. This means that no matter when you visit California, you'll always find fresh, ripe strawberries being harvested and ready to purchase. However, once the planting is complete, another crucial task begins. Workers will install irrigation systems to ensure that every strawberry plant receives the proper care it needs. Strawberries are a type of crop that requires frequent watering, especially during the fruit-bearing season. On average, each strawberry plant needs about 2 inches of water per day, no small feat. On average, each strawberry plant requires about 2 inches of water per day to thrive. But that's just the beginning of the meticulous care they receive. Most of the strawberry varieties grown in California take about 2 to 3 months to flower, and from the moment the flowers bloom until the fruit is ready to harvest, the process lasts from 4 to 6 weeks. But here's where it gets interesting. When those tiny white flowers appear, millions of honeybees are brought in to carry out the most crucial task, pollination. These hardworking bees are an integral part of the pollination service that helps these fruit-bearing plants thrive. Now, the strawberries are ripening, and a new harvest is just around the corner. In just a few days, a fresh batch of ripe strawberries will be ready for harvest, promising another bountiful season. Every year, around 55,000 workers flock to California's strawberry farms, with most of them coming from Mexico. They come not just to earn a living, but also to play a crucial role in the success of this massive strawberry industry. However, their work is far from easy. Their wages are determined by the number of strawberry boxes they pick, creating a fierce competition between speed and quality. On average, each worker earns about $15 per hour, according to statistics released in 2021. But here's the catch. This isn't just a hard job. It's an endless journey, working under the harsh sun, picking the finest, most valuable strawberries. California isn't just known for its stunning landscapes, it's also the undisputed kingdom of strawberries in the United States. The state produces a staggering 1.1 million tons of strawberries every year, accounting for 91% of the nation's total production. This makes California the heart of strawberry farming, not only in the US but globally. The strawberry industry here generates a jaw-dropping $2.1 billion in revenue annually. What's even more impressive is that even when it rains or the weather turns, the strawberry harvest continues uninterrupted at these farms. This resilience and unwavering dedication of the farmers highlight the immense effort it takes to bring these fresh, delicious strawberries to market. These are the final tasks of the strawberry season, and everything is being wrapped up in a rush. The fields are slowly being cleared, ready for a new season that will begin in just about 2 weeks. It feels like a moment of transition, as the soil prepares to welcome fresh strawberry plants, promising another season of delicious fruit. Once the new seedlings are planted, the farm will once again be filled with the hustle and bustle of care, watering, and harvesting. Each harvest season is a journey, and now, we're just counting down the days until the new one begins. The process of growing and harvesting strawberries in this video is truly impressive. From preparing the soil, nurturing the seedlings, to carefully picking each ripe strawberry, every step requires patience and tireless dedication. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this entire process. Please share your comments down below the video. And don't forget, at the end of the video, we'll take a look at the strawberry harvest in Florida. The second largest strawberry producer in the US, there's definitely a lot more exciting content coming your way. Goodbye for now, and see you soon.